Hello everyone, I'm just going to show you how I made this Bofrot over the weekend for the kids. Let's get started. So for this recipe, I'll be using self-raising flour. I'm using 1 bowl of flour and also I'm using half a bowl of sugar. And next, I'm just gonna add in a teaspoon of dried yeast. I'll be using a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg and also salt to taste, just a little bit. And I'll use my hands to mix the ingredients together. I'll be using 1 cup of warm fresh milk, but you can use water if you prefer. I'll be pouring the milk into the mixture bit by bit, just so as to get the right texture that I want. I don't want it too thick, and also I don't want it too light. I almost forgot to add in my vanilla extract, and also that's optional if you want. The reason why I'm using self-raising flour is because I don't want this puff or this wet donut. I don't want it too thick and I don't want it too heavy. I just want it very light. And also with this recipe, you don't need to wait for like 1 hour, 2 hours for it to rise. You can just start frying after 30 minutes or maybe 20 minutes because the self-raising flour is very light and I prefer using that one as compared to the plain flour. You really need to babysit this Bofrot, else it's going to come up bent. You need to keep turning it side and side. Once your Bofrot turns golden brown color, that means it's ready to eat or to serve. The kids were like, "Mommy, we want Ghana Bofrot." Or, no, they were like, "We want Ghana donuts." I said, okay, why not? It's been long since we had one. Oh, just look at that. So yummy. The fluffiness is so lightweight. I just love it this way. It's so soft and very light. And it tastes absolutely delicious. Oh my days. Success. Oh my god, look at that.
It was gonna make it less for me.
I'm coming. Oh, so yummy. Look how soft it is. Ooh. We know your cocoa beer. No, Coca-Cola. Friends, if you like this recipe, why don't you hit the like button and don't forget to share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.